Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can change your username on the Discord app, whether it's on your iPhone or your Android. So first of all, you need to open the app and make sure you are already logged into your account. Now to change your username, on the bottom of the screen you will see your profile icon. Tap on it and now tap on the account option. Here simply tap on the username option and just change the username to any other thing you want. Afterwards, tap on the save option, which is at the upper right corner of the screen. Now you need to enter your password and then tap on done. So as you can see, now my username has been changed. Now you can simply close your Discord settings by tapping here, and then you can enjoy your new username. So that's how you can change your username on the Discord app, whether it's on your iPhone or your Android phone. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.